Have you ever been watching a video and you really like the music that's being played in the background? Well, I've just solved it for you. When you're listening to your music or watching a video, just play the video and go to the control center and click the Shazam icon. And that will instantly scan the music that's being played on your iPhone and show you what the song is. As you can see, it identified the song. Now, this feature isn't enabled automatically. To do so, you need to go to the settings and scroll down and until you reach Control Center. When you reach Control Center, you'll find music recognition. As you can see, mine is already added. So if it isn't added, it would look like this. You can click the plus icon and it'll add it to your control center. Another really neat feature which most people don't know is when you add it to your control center and long press on the music icon, the Shazam icon, you can see the songs that have already been scanned. If you're on an Android, it's a slightly different process. You'll need to have the Shazam application installed and you need to go to the library tab at the top left corner. And when you go to the library tab, you'll see settings and make sure the top two settings are turned on. Now, once these settings are turned on, you don't need to turn it on every time you want to find a song. It's always going to be turned on. Now, when you go to the music or the video you're watching and you go to the control center on your Android and click the Shazam icon, it will search for the music and there you go. Once again, it found the song that you were listening to.